Do you know how to install a boat full of over 10,000 trees? No hangars, no artificial platform. As long as a simple operation, you can immediately empty over 10,000 trees. This is Vancouver, Canada's main port city. The forest of more than 40,000 hectares occupies about half of Vancouver's land area. The developed forest economy is the first industry in Vancouver. The transport method of the port city is mainly by boat. The mill is cut down to trees. There is a truck transport network, and then the ship is transported to the port. So how did they get the thousands of pieces of the original wood? Let's look further down. After the ship reaches the destination, the foot of the ship is connected to the ship's head to prevent it from turning over. Then the ship slowly clears up. After a certain level of clearing, all the original wood immediately clears up and floats on the sea. Such a hard to reach way of unloading can only be seen in the sea. People who don't know it will think that this ship is going to capsize. You go ahead, hell yeah bro, how are you?